is the Brampton Prankster. I'm again here at Team Hortons, and today we're going to have the farting prank. Let's go for it. Hello. Thank you. Can I have two small? Can I have two small French vanilla? My stomach is bad, man. And one small hot chocolate. And then one small cookie. Salam.
You didn't have the small cookie yet.
You don't have it? निकल गया. Two chocolate dip donuts. Wait. Two chocolate dip donuts. I have to go to the toilet, man. Two chocolate dip donuts. One Timbit. Box of Timbit, 10. निकल गया साला. Timbit. No, बंद है.